Update on the marriage and divorce scandal involving Drew Pritchard, who appears on the television show Salvage Hunters. What became of him? Drew Pritchard, who owns an antique shop, has been the host of Salvage Hunters on Quest TV for more than a decade. However, just recently, he has found himself at the center of several disputes. The question remains, what exactly occurred with Drew Pritchard? Drew Pritchard always had a strong interest in the past, particularly in antique collections, even at a young age. He would spend the summers of his teenage years on the shore, scavenging for stuff such as boat pieces and other items that he would later sell. At the age of 15, he had already begun collecting old automobiles and was working at Iskol Dive in Conway, where he was being trained as a stained glass restorer and designer. After spending many years exploring Wales in search of antiquities to add to his collection, he decided to launch his own architectural antiques business under the name Drew Pritchard Antiques. But how exactly did he make the switch to television? The job that Drew had done had such an impact on the producers at Quest TV that they came up with the idea of basing a television series on him and his thriving company. The first season of Salvage Hunters, which aired in 2011, followed Drew and his crew as they scoured the United Kingdom in search of priceless antiques. These objects included architectural fragments, antique furniture, and even vehicle components. As soon as they have acquired the artifacts, they get them restored and then sell them for a profit. After 17 seasons and more than 215 episodes, the show has proven to be a successful endeavor. It has received more than 11 million views in the United Kingdom. Building on the success of the original series, Drew went on to host several spin-offs, including Salvage Hunters, Classic Cars, Salvage Hunters Best Buys, and Salvage Hunters Best Restorers. 3 Men, 4 Wheels is the title of his most recent show, which debuted in 2021. In spite of the fact that Drew's antique shop in Glen Conway has been there for almost 20 years, he did not start selling to the general public there until 2017. People traveled from as far away as Japan, Australia, and New Zealand to visit the shop and gaze in awe at the one-of-a-kind collection that he had curated. Surprisingly, Drew made the decision to shut down the shop in the previous year, despite the fact that he had previously obtained permission to expand it in 2019. Instead, he is currently contemplating moving to a new area of the country. On a more personal note, Drew once shared his life with his wife, Rebecca, whom he first met when she patronized his business as a client working for a construction and real estate development firm. They fell in love with each other over their mutual interest in antiques, which ultimately led to their marriage and the beginning of their family together. But in 2017, they decided to end their relationship, and neither has discussed the specific reasons for the breakup in public. While Drew is still married to Rebecca, there were persistent rumors that he had an affair with a lady named Amanda Thomas. This rumor turned out to be accurate, which caused a considerable amount of drama, particularly when Amanda's husband, Jonas Thomas, confronted Drew about the purported affair that they had been having. This altercation, which took place in Liverpool's Arms pub in Conway and escalated into a physical altercation, resulted in legal action. In the end, Jonas Thomas was given a monetary penalty for his aggressive and threatening actions. In spite of the scandals that have occurred in his personal life, Drew Pritchard's professional life appears to be heading in the right direction. His most recent endeavors have taken him to Northern Ireland and Germany, where he searched for antiques in both of those countries. The show, as well as Drew's uncanny ability to locate priceless antiques, continues to win the hearts of its viewers. What are your thoughts on Drew Pritchard, including his show, his shop, and the various controversies that surround him? Please leave your feedback in the comments section below. We want to thank you for watching and say that we'll see you in future updates.